Hey, what's going on everybody? And guys, after making the previous video about masks and respirators, which you can find in the description, I started to have an idea, can the mask and respirator filter the coke? Because these respirators can actually filter the particles in the air with the size 0.3 micron. And just to understand how small it is, the human hair is 50 microns, and the human eye cannot see anything smaller than 40 microns in size. Yeah, that's crazy. So that's why today I'm gonna be testing N95 respirator, mask with active carbon filter, and surgical mask. So which one can filter the coke? What do you think about it? And the first candidate will be the surgical mask. And let's see how it can handle the coke. So let me open the bottle. Yeah, there you go. And now I need to prepare the mask. Let's pour it inside. The coke is actually not going through the filter. Yeah, it's not going through the filter. It's easier to see from this angle. Do you see? The coke is not leaking through the filter. So I don't know if it's good or bad, but let me try to squeeze the filter if this will help. No, it's not working. Still, the coke is not going through the filter, it's just coming from the sides. So I think I need to do it differently. After thinking, I realized that the best way is actually just to put the mask on the top of the bottle, like this, and to keep really tightly in this place. Then you just can do like this and press on the bottle. So let's see. So I think it's not really filtering. Let me try again a little bit. No guys, it's not working. Yeah, it cannot filter the coke. I think we should try another mask. Now let's do the same thing with carbon filter mask. So let me put the coke in. Yeah, the same thing. There is nothing is leaking. So let's try the other way. Keep it really tight here, then press. Yeah, it looks like a shower head. Yeah, exactly the same thing. It's not filtering anything. It's unable to filter, the same like surgical mask. So I think it's time to try with N95 mask. What do you think about that one? And now we have N95 respirator, and I really hope that at least this one can filter the coke. And let's try. Okay, just let's do this way. All right. What do you think, guys? Oh, it's not even going through the filter. Look. Let me try to keep it tighter. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it was quite difficult to keep it like that. But anyways, we see this one is unable to filter as well. Oh, I feel so sad. I really hope at least this one could do this. All right, and so what do we see? Yeah, and guys, in conclusion, we see that none of these masks can filter the Coke, and before I was really curious if there is any mask can filter it. And I also hope that it was interesting for you as well. And if you want to see something special in the next videos, please write in the comment section down below, and see you soon.